Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly edit photos using gestures on iPhone. If you want to speed up the photo editing on your iPhone, you can use these built-in gestures in the Photos app. So first you need to open to your Photos app and tap on one of the photo that you want to edit. And simply tap on the edit icon in the bottom again. And here, while adjusting the settings such as brightness, contrast or exposure, you can drag the slider left to right with your finger to make the quick changes here as well. And you can also pinch to zoom with your two fingers to inspect details more closely while editing. When cropping a photo, simply drag the corners or edges of the crop frame to resize it. To compare your details with the original image, you can tap and hold the photo, release your finger to return the edited version. These simple gestures make it easier to edit photos quickly and accurately without navigating through multiple menus. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.